Hello, friends. I am Satish Lele. I am a chemical engineer. I am working in the field of piping for the last 30 years. This video is part of my chemical process piping channel on YouTube. This video is about pipe flanges. Flanges are used for pipe connections that can easily be opened and are of following types: weld net, slip-on, flap joint, blind, reducing or expanded, and socket weld or screw. Weld neck flange. Regular and long, regular weld neck flanges are used with the weld fittings and pipes with beveled ends. Long weld neck flanges are primarily used for vessel and equipment nozzles. These are suitable in pipelines where extreme temperatures, shear, impact, and vibratory stresses apply. Regularity of bore is maintained in this, mostly used in pipelines having high pressure and temperature like steam lines. Slip-on flange is generally used to connect to pipes. Slip-on flanges can be used with long tangent elbows and swages without any pipe between them. The internal weld is slightly more subject to corrosion than butt weld. The flange has poor resistance to shock and vibration. It introduces irregularity in the bore. If not welded properly, it is cheaper than weld neck flange to buy, but is costlier to assemble. It is easier to align compared to weld neck flange. Calculated strengths under internal pressure are about 1/3 that of corresponding weld neck flange. Pipe fitting is set back from the face of flange a distance equal to that thickness. Reducing flange is suitable for changing size but should not be used if abrupt transition will create turbulence, as at pump connections. Available to order in weld neck type and from stopping slip-on types. The expander flange is similar to weld neck flange but increases size of pipe 2/3 to a second larger size. It is alternative to using reducer and weld neck flange. It is useful for connecting to valves, compressors, and pumps. Pressure ratings and dimensions are in accord with ASME or SCP 16.5. Flap joint flanges economically if the pipe used is of costly material such as stainless steel. The flange can be carbon steel and only the lap joint stud end needs to be of line material. A stud end must be used in a lap joint, and the cost of carbon steel flange and stud end must be considered. It is also useful where alignment of bolt holes is difficult, such as with spools to be attached to flange nozzles of vessels. Blind flange is used to blind off a flange, generally at the end of a pipe. This provides an easy way to open the end of a pipe for further running of the pipe. Screw flange is similar to slip-on flange, but has internal threads. It is used for small bore pipes. It is not used where there is pressure in pipe. Bolt holes in flanges are even in number and are equally spaced. These are straddled vertically. ASME or SCP 16.5 specify the number of bolt holes, diameter of bolt circle and diameter of bolt holes, number of bolts, size of bolt holes, and diameter and length of bolts are different as per rating of the flange. Flange facing. Many facings for flanges are offered by manufacturers, including various tongue and groove types which must be used in pairs. However, only the types of facing are widely used. The raised face is used for 80% of all flanges. The ring joint facing, insulated with either an oval section or octagon section gasket. It is used mainly in petrochemical industry. faces are usually finished by machining to produce a spiral round-bottomed groove, or a V-shaped spiral or concentric groove. It is termed a serrated finish. Smooth finish is generally made to order. Serrated finish is used with asbestos and other gaskets. The regular smooth finish is used with gaskets made from hardened materials and with spiral wound gaskets. The four types of faces are as follows. Raised face has a raised face with serration on it to hold the gasket firmly in position. This is widely used. Flat face. Most common uses are for making with non-steel, mostly cast iron flanges and bodies with pumps, valves, etc., and for making with 125 psi cast iron valves and fittings. The full-size gasket is used to avoid breaking of the cast iron flange while tightening. Ring joint facing is more expensive facing and used in pairs for high temperature and high pressure service. Both flanges of the pair are alike. Flap joint facing is special curvature for accommodating stub ends. The combination of flange and stub ends presents similar geometry to the raised face flange and can be used where bending stresses will not occur. This is used for stainless steel pipes, where stub end is made from stainless steel pipe and flange is made of carbon steel. Flange finishes. The term finish refers to the type of surface texture produced by machining the flange face which contracts the gasket. Two principal finish types are serrated and smooth. These are full face and ring gaskets. Red are used for low temp applications. Black are used for high temperature applications like steam or hot oil. Rubber rings are used for tongue and groove flanges. Widely used materials for gaskets are compressed asbestos, which is 2 and 5 millimeters thick, and asbestos-filled metal. These are changed after every opening of flanges. The filled metal gasket is especially useful if maintenance requires repeated uncuffing of flanges, as gasket separates clean and is often reused. A separate video is made for gasket. Bolts for flanges. Two types of bolting is available. Stud bolt using 2 nuts and the machine bolt using 1 nut. Stud bolts have largely displaced regular bolts for bolting flanged piping joint, as stud bolt can be removed easily. Confusion with other bolts at site is avoided. The off-side can be readily made from round stock. ASME or NCB 16.5 defines stud bolts for flange classes from 150 to 2500 psi, while it defines machine bolts for class 150 and 300 psi only. Thanks for learning. If you like this video, please give a like to my channel and subscribe it.